Some people enter a room and barely say anything. They listen more than they speak, observe more than they react. And while everyone else is trying to be heard, they are trying to understand. Psychology shows that silence is not always a lack of confidence. Sometimes, it is a sign of a different way of thinking. 1. They process information before speaking. Many people think while they talk. Quiet people often do the opposite. They think first, then decide if something is worth saying. Their silence is not emptiness. It is processing. And that often makes their words more deliberate. 2. They are more observant. When you're not focused on speaking, you have more attention available for observing. Quiet people often notice small details. Body language, tone of voice, changes in behavior. Things others miss because they are busy talking. 3. They don't feel the need to fill every silence. Most people become uncomfortable when conversations go quiet. They rush to fill the gap. But people who don't talk much are usually more comfortable with silence. They understand that not every moment needs words. And that comfort often makes them appear calm and self-controlled. 4. They choose quality over quantity. Psychologically, some people value meaningful communication more than constant communication. They are less interested in speaking often, and more interested in speaking with purpose. As a result, their words often carry more weight, because they are not constantly giving them away. 5. They protect their mental energy. Talking requires attention, emotion, and effort. People who speak less are often selective about where they invest that energy. They avoid unnecessary arguments, pointless conversations, and constant social noise. Not because they dislike people, but because they value focus. 6. They are comfortable with themselves. One of the strongest psychological traits of quiet people is self-comfort. They don't always need external stimulation or constant validation. They can sit with their own thoughts. And that ability creates a sense of inner stability that many people never develop. The truth is, the loudest person in a room is not always the most confident. And the quietest person is not always the least important. Some people use words to create attention. Others use silence to create understanding. And while noise is easy to notice, depth is easy to miss. That's why the people who speak the least are sometimes the ones who understand the most.